Welcome to your dashboard. You can easily pick back up where you left off, get a snapshot of your current performance, and see recommendations personalized for you. Let's take a look at the Welcome banner. At the top of your dashboard, you'll see a Welcome banner that displays the status of your account setup. Having a completed profile helps to curate your personalized experience. Next, let's take a look at the Recommended for You section of the dashboard. Here you can get a suggestion for your next marketing initiative. Click the block to be brought directly to the appropriate place within the product to get started. In the Performance section of your dashboard, easily see your current email click rate, total contacts, and contact growth. Want to dig deeper? Click See More Insights to be brought to your Subscriber and Engagement Insights page. Click Add to add more context to your account, and to improve your contact growth, click Grow to launch the Audience Growth Center. Easily pick back up where you left off and quickly see important campaign reporting from the Recent Campaigns section. Click View All to be brought to your campaigns list. Remember your top navigation in the old experience? In the new experience, it's just been moved to the side. You can move around through the product using the navigation on the left. And that's everything you need to know about your new dashboard with Constant Contact.